What's up, y'all? Truckers Life. We back. How about them cowboy dogs? Cowboy dogs. Yeah, baby. But hey, we got some butter. We're gonna let this melt. Alright, y'all. We got some lamb chops here, y'all. Some beautiful lamb chops. We're gonna take some Himalayan pink salt. Put that in there, a good amount. Boom, right in there. White pepper. Y'all know I love the white pepper. It's not as strong. Put a good amount in there. Boom, done. Here's some minced garlic. Sorry, I need my hands free so I can scoop it out. And that goes, this scoop goes straight in the bag. And another scoop, smaller scoop of course, straight in the bag. We're gonna mix it around. All right, take these up, straight on there, boom, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Put that right there. This, of course, goes in the trash. Boom. Just like that. Put the lid on and let them saute. Alright, y'all, let's take these lamb chops off because they're done. Take them off, cover them up, let them rest. Right up there. Okay, and that. We're gonna put a good scoop of flour right into here. And we're gonna mix it around. Alright, y'all, we got some Walmart mirepoix going in to the gravy mix. So we gotta let these saute down, give them some time. It's got onions, celery, and carrots. Anybody that know how to cook, that's some mirepoix. And just kind of soften. Spread them out so they can soften down. But that ain't it. That ain't it. Don't worry. That ain't it. Put that fork down. Put the mirepoix up here. There we go. And we got some beef broth. There we go. We're not done yet, but we will be back. So, yeah, look at Lava. Hold on.
I took my position.
Look at Lava. She's doing good. She's a good girl. See, that's my third baby. She's good. See? She's good. No problems with her. She loves when I pick her up out of her tank and she just slithers all over my hands. That's all she does. I ain't gonna lie, before her, I was scared of snakes before her. This is my fear. But she's completely, not gonna lie, she's turned me around. Look at her. She just slithers. That's all she does. See? She's a good girl. She's turned my daughter around. My daughter was scared of snakes before her. I was, even though my daughter asked for her. I was scared of snakes. My daughter was scared of snakes. My ex-wife was. My oldest daughter was. And she's made us all comfortable with her. Ready, Mama? You want to go back to your tank? All right, let's go back. Come on, here you go, baby. See, that easy. Just put her back and she's good. Alright, y'all. Just got done washing my hands. I'm handling lava. We got some mushrooms. We put some mushrooms straight in here. Just like that. Boom. Oh, no, not that one. That one's a little too big. I'll eat that one by itself. I'll grab a couple more. This one was not a good pack of freaking mushrooms. It's got a lot of big pieces in here. There we go. That should be good. Okay, y'all, we got the gravy almost done. But to finish it off, we got to put these lamb chops into it. Or, like I said, into it. Hold on. That's why you always take them off a little early, because when you add it to the gravy, you got to put the gravy on top. So all that flavor soaks in. We got the mirepoix, the mushrooms, the garlic, the onion, the celery, everything right there. And just cover it back up, give it another 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, let's see if we can go inside and get a taste test. I'm going to take one of these out. And this one right here. Right on top. Push it down. And we're going to take some of this gravy and vegetables out. We're going to pour that right on top. Yeah, see, it's still bubbling, right? Put some more of that on top. Put that down on that plate, and let me just pour some of the gravy on top. I don't want a bunch of it, just a little bit. I gotta mix it around to get some of this gravy out. Okay, here we go. Take some more of this gravy and vegetables out. And we're gonna go inside and see if we can get a taste test with this. It's a lamb chop with a beef, mushroom, mirepoix gravy. And I'm gone, baby. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and I tried to do a taste test, but they didn't want to be on camera because it's against the company policy. But hey, we made dinner. We made an amazing meal. But hey, it's Cowboys, baby. We beat the midgets. And we about to beat the what you call them? They call themselves the Jets, but I don't think they're good enough to be called the Jets. I gotta figure out a name to call them. But I holler at y'all. Trucker's Life. And I'm gone, baby.